We know little about the upstream or downstream story. We know little about the bioscience story. But we know it could cost 10 million deaths each year by 2050 if no action is taken.
We work on wastewater treatment to purify the pollutants in the water, from sewage to the sewage treatment plants and to the rivers. So the whole process is actually a lot of pollutants in it. So our research, we work on microorganisms to remove all these pollutants to make the water cleaner and better for the environment. But there are challenges. We are not, let's say, sufficiently funded by the government, or we are not that good at public awareness. So we do need communication with the public and find a way to draw attention of the society, of the policymakers, of water companies. So I think this is a great way. We see our research on the stage, and in such an amazing performance and so touching, and we see a lot of audience there. They're like so enjoying the performance, and it's great.
Friendly one, and then we have something we can use. Upstream, downstream,
Since retiring from being a doctor, I've become a grandmother and an activist and a gardener, and this spoke to my heart. The themes were environmental issues. I'm a member of the Guildford Climate Choir, or the Climate Choir movement, and so I enjoyed giving a message in a different way.
I just thought it would be a great opportunity for me to show how much I care about the world we live in, Mother Nature, and also making sure that everyone knows what's going on in the world, keeping everyone as awake as possible.
This has just been such an organic experience, such a privilege working with the quality of people like OSNAP, SABS, and to perform along the young people from GSA who just have talent oozing from them, and people like me who are members of the community come along for this fabulous opportunity and get to meet like-minded people.